Yes, we are live. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're all safe during the prevailing pandemic situation. A hearty congratulations in completing and clearing the hiring process of Wipro. We really look forward to working and having you join the Wipro family with an aim to build a bolder future and set new benchmarks. We understand some of you haven't accepted the LOI due to some of the other issues. We have our global campus hiring head, Mr. Bhavesh Patel, who has been in the industry for almost 2 decades now. He will take us through the session today and help in clearing most of your doubts. Before I hand the session over to Bhavesh, let's start with an amazing video of Wipro's journey. Thank you, Zainab. Now we'll be handing the session over to Bhavesh.
Thanks so much. Thank you for making this possible, Zainab, Apurva, Nikita, and thanks to 4,120 attendees that we see. Friday afternoon, I'm sure all of you guys must be excited to do a lot of things during the weekend. But let me quickly run you past the whole agenda that we have for this session, right? Agenda number one for each one of you on this session. So this is a group of people, and we have invited some of your colleagues are yet to join, and I'm assuming that they will join as we move along. So according to our data, and this could be a dated information, but according to our data, this is the set of people who have not or yet to accept our LOIs, right? And if I go through the questions that have already started coming in, I see that there are people who perhaps haven't received the LOI. I saw that some of you have mentioned that I've received the BGV mail, but I've not received LOI. So maybe there are some systemic challenges that have happened, and we will, during the course of this call, we will also release a survey form so that we ensure that we capture all your queries, concerns, support that you need from our end to either help you with the BGV or give you the letter of intent, because according to our records, we have sent across the LOIs to each one of you on this call. But if you have not received it for some reason, we will try and take care of that. If some of you also want to kind of go through the whole compensation program to understand this better before you finalize the decision, that was the whole purpose of the call, right? So let me move along. So for Elite, right, and I'm assuming that majority of you on this call are engineers who've got shortlisted for the Elite hiring, There could be some of you who are from the star batch or from the turbo batch, but for you, the compensation is always already taken care of. So this slide is for the elite group of engineers who are going to join us at a compensation of 3.5, which has been the case for Wipro. We are also aware of the market dynamics of the fact that maybe you as a candidate have an option to pick up or choose other organizations over Wipro, considering that our compensation is 3.5 and some other company can or is perhaps giving you 3.7 or giving you 4 or whatever that number could be. The whole compelling story that we have and the reason why we feel that our compensation structure is more holistic and more long drawn is because we give you a guaranteed storyline that talks about not just the beginning of your career, but something that is 3 years down the line as well. So if you look at it, if you were to choose Wipro as an elite engineer, you will start at 3.5. In 6 months down the line, you will be eligible for a 25,000 flat bonus, which will get added to your salary after 12 months, which means in 6 months time frame, your compensation will be 3.75, right? That's not where we end. So we will continue to give you more bonuses. The first or the second bonus will come in on the 18th month. The third bonus will come in on the 24th month, and then 3 years after you join us. If you look at the table in the center, you will see the periodic bonuses that keep coming in. So 6 months, 25K I've already spoken about. 18 months, you will be eligible for either 25,000 or 50,000 or 75,000, depending on what is the performance rating that you've got, what is the kind of productivity that you've been able to bring to Wipro. And that again is not just a one-time bonus. After you get this on the 18 months, which is 12 months from then, which is 30th month, this bonus will get added to your compensation, which means you started with 3.5, 6 months later, you are at 3.75, 18 months later, once you get the bonus, your overall compensation that you will get from Wipro is going to be 3.75, minimum is going to be 3.75 plus 25, the max could be 75 as well, which means you could be anywhere between 4.2 to 4.8 lakhs at the end of 18 months. Likewise, at the end of 24 months, which is just 6 months from then, you will again be eligible for a bonus, which now is a larger bonus, which is 50,000, 75,000 and 100,000. That also will get added to your salary, which means by the end of year 2, your salary will be somewhere in the region of 4.8 to 6 lakhs. Come year 3, we are again increasing our bonuses. Our bonus now, after the end of 36 months, available to an elite engineer is going to be 200K, 225K, 250K, which means, and these are just bonuses. So apart from these bonuses, you will also have yearly increments, which will be given to you. So if you were to draw this entire picture, which you see in the form of a tree, we can call it a money tree that grows for you in the first 3 years. You will start at 3.5. I know and I acknowledge that perhaps might not be the best in the industry, but I can guarantee you that there is nobody else in the industry, at least in the IT space, who can give you or who is showing you a path right now that can help you start at 3.5 and be somewhere in the region of 7 to 9.5 just within 3 years. So that's our whole compelling compensation proposition. And we hope that you choose us when you have to decide as far as onboarding goes. For now, I think we are at a stage when we are looking forward to having your acceptances on the LOIs that are there, and we move forward from that. The next slide will tell you how the whole program is, and I'm sure, and I have been a part of some of the Telegram groups, some of the so-called unofficial groups. Some of you by some way or the other have managed to get my email ID, my contact number. I'm sorry if I have not been able to respond to everybody, but you need to understand that we're talking about 3.5 lakh engineers. So for anybody to be able to respond to all the queries at all times is just not possible, right? So let me also give you a quick perspective of how our whole campus process is about and what are the next steps. So once you accept the LOI, right, your BGV link will get activated. Some of you have already received the BGV link, so please upload your documents. Come January, so starting 10th of January, from 10th to 20th, we are going to roll out all the offers, right? All the offers will be rolled out. In fact, so much so, and I saw some chats wherein you have also asked for some of the queries around what will be my joining date, what will be my skill set, what location and whatnot. So we are also trying to see if we can make that information available to you much in advance. I know that a lot of organizations give you that information just in time. We do the same. I mean, for 20th December joining, for example, we have just sent a mail yesterday telling them what their location is going to be. FY23 or the batch from 2022 graduates is going to be different. Now we want to plan for things much ahead. And in lines with that, we've also activated 3 specific questions on your profile page in Superset, right? So what I will request each one of you to do, and not just this group of 4,800, we've got another 67,000 plus people who have got our letter of intents. So I'd appreciate if you can talk to all your colleagues, ask them to log into Superset, go to the Wipro profile page. There are 3 questions. Apurva, do you have a snapshot of those 3 questions?
Yes, Bhavesh.
Yeah, so if you can just share the
path.
screen.
Yeah, 1 second.
So if you see, we will just share the path. What we are asking you to do is primarily log into your Superset account. From there, go to the Wipro profile page. We've added 3 questions, and those 3 questions are added primarily to check your interest. So we are now asking you to update. So yeah, so if you look at it, you would have received a mail like this from us from Superset. Unfortunately, a lot of you have not updated the documents. 5 p.m. today is the last day, and people who update the details here will perhaps be the lucky ones who will get an early joining from our end, and perhaps will also possibly get the skills of their choice. What we're asking you to do is, as I said, Superset, go to job profile. From the job profile, select Wipro job profile. From there, you need to scroll down to additional questions. On additional questions, the moment you edit, it will ask you for those 3 questions. Those 3 questions are primarily first one, asking about do you what are the 3 location preferences that you have? Location 1, location 2, location 3. So we are typically reaching out to you much in advance, wanting to know if we can give you the location of your choice. The second question in that list is going to be in the lines of what skill set are you keen on working? Do you want to be in infrastructure? Do you want to be in application development? Do you want to be in testing? Do you want to do cybersecurity, or you want to do apps or IoT or so on and so forth? So we have consolidated list of 12 skill sets. We want you to pick 3 out of the 12. A disclaimer on both of that is that while we are asking you to choose location and give a preference to skill sets, the final allocation will obviously depend on the business need, and you may not get. We are trying to capture this information primarily to try and do as much as possible to bring you closer to what you want, either location or a skill set, or if you are very lucky, both skill set and location. But the endeavor is not to guarantee each one of you that you will get what you ask for. It's going to be a combination of what you've asked for, plus whether or not we have a business requirement in that skill set, in that location, at the time when we are bringing you on board next year. Right, so the third question on this is about the infrastructure. So what we also want to do is we wanted to start your pre-joining program sessions. We want to ensure that you complete your pre-joining modules faster, so that once you come and start onboarding with Wipro from let's say April, May onwards, depending on what your exam schedule are like, some of your exams will get will get completed faster. Those candidates will get a preference to come in Q1. For those of you whose examinations are going to be in May, June, July, after you complete your exams is when you will be onboarded, and that onboarding will continue till about March of 2023, right? So it's a long drawn process. So yeah, my humble request is for all of you to, one, accept the LOI if you think Wipro is a destination that you feel, and I'm sure you think that way because you've taken out time to join this call. Otherwise, there was no reason for you to join the call. 2, log into Superset and go through this, navigate through this path, edit the 3 questions, give us the information that we're looking for, so that we can start releasing the offers from January onwards. Just to go back to the same earlier slide, what will happen is after we release the offers in January, you will continue to upload your documents and we will continue to audit your documents. After that, from February, March onwards, you will start receiving your reporting mailers depending on whether you are coming in Feb, March or wherever. So yeah, that's more or less the purpose of this call. Would somebody, I see 550 comments, so I need help from my team to kind of run through some of the questions that might need answering.
Sure, Bhavish. So first question we have is, Sir, Madam, when the training will be started, can we expect that in December?
So we've been trying for that, and that is primarily why we have released this additional question. So please start filling in the details for these additional questions. The training might not start in November or December, but we will definitely start from January onwards. There'll be some of you who will still be reached out if you've completed some bit of a documentation, but January onwards, we intend to start the training for each and every person that we have made offers to.
Okay. What is the last date for background verification, as some of the documents required are not available as of yet? Some of the selected students didn't receive link for this event. Is there any reason for that?
Okay, so some of the students who have not received the link for this event is primarily because they have already accepted our LOI. This link was sent out to the set of students who are yet to accept our LOI. That could be because of two reasons. One, perhaps your LOI must have got lost in your junk or spam folder and you've not been able to check that. Two, you are not interested in applying. So these are the only two reasons which I see, or maybe possibly third reason also could be that you're still waiting out for taking a final decision. So this email was sent out to everybody who's yet to accept the LOI. If you have already accepted the LOI, then great, you can move through the process. If you are yet to accept the LOI and you're still thinking, take your time, think through this, and then depending on whether or not you think Wipro is going to give you the kind of head start that you're looking forward to, we are more than happy to welcome you into the family and bring you on board.
So tell us about the stream allocation process and how the streams are allocated.
I've given you the answer. Streams are allocated primarily basis a function of demand and supply, right? So supply earlier used to be just the number of people that's coming in. This year we want to do things a little differently. This year we want to reach out to each one of you to do a dipstick check, to do a check to understand are there people who are interested in cybersecurity, for example. And if you happen to be one and your location, let's say, happens to be Coimbatore, and your exams is getting completed in June. So when we bring you in July or August or September, we see that there is this one set of students who want cybersecurity in Coimbatore, and we have an opportunity for a project to take that many people in Coimbatore. Then you get that mapping. But if let's say we can give cybersecurity, but it's not in Coimbatore, it's in, let's say, Bangalore, then obviously there has to be a mix and match. So it might not always be 100% match, but we will try. The reason why we are taking for 3 locations and 3 skills preferences is why we want to try and do some bit of how do you say, jumbling up to try and give you the best possible combination. To me, the best possible combination obviously is going to be location number 1, preference number 1, and skills wise preference number 1. If both preference ones matches, then I'm very, very lucky, but that may not happen. So that's the whole process of how skill and location mapping will happen as we go closer to your onboarding date.
I think we have been receiving this question, Bhavish. Will there be turbo upgradation exam for elite selected candidates? I mean, based on their exam or interview performance, or is it for everyone?
Okay, so this year our turbo upgrade is going to be very, very different. All these years our turbo upgrade, and I'm told that turbo upgrade or the upgrade program in Wipro is a unique program which very few organizations have such a scheme. So for us, we are going to be doing it massively at a very massive scale, which means those of you who feel that you have done really, really well in your assessment, you should definitely go and accept the LOIs, because if you have done very well in assessments, you will be one of those. So we are going to pick a lot of people. I don't want to give out numbers, but we're going to pick out a lot of numbers. And this set of people that we are going to pick for the turbo upgrade are the ones who have scored very, very well in our assessment in coding and very, very well in the quant section. So if you happen to be somebody who's scored well in both those sections, you will be very soon invited for the upgrade program. This time around, the upgrade program is not going to be basis a test. It's going to be basis you getting a full stack training. So we are going to also engage with some of our training partners. You will very soon hear more news around it. My team will start communicating more and more as we go into the month of December and starting of January. We are partnering with some of the training institutes who will start giving you training. It could be on full stack, it could be on front end development, it could be back end development, and so on and so forth. So once you get that certification done from any of those training partners, all of you will get upgraded. So it's not going to be a test as such. It's going to be the time that you spend with our training partner, the time and money that you spend with the training partner to get yourself certified with full stack. So once you do that, and once our training partner automatically certifies you as a full stack engineer, you will definitely get the turbo salary. Unfortunate cases wherein, let's say, for some reason you could not clear that certification for whatever reasons. Reasons could be skill issue, will issue, or maybe you didn't have time to participate or whatever. You still will have the 3.5 lakhs guaranteed for you. So it doesn't mean that, and it's similar to what we do right now as well. You will get an opportunity. If you clear, you get 6.5. If you don't clear, 3.5 is still waiting for you. And now this 3.5 is not just 3.5. This 3.5 has a 3-year draw, which goes to 7.8 to 9 lakhs in 3 years.
Okay, I think most of the questions are around that they haven't really got the LOI, Bhavesh. And yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So we anticipated it, knowing that there can't be a possibility of so many students not accepting the LOI. So we anticipated it. I think, Nikita, have you posted the link to the survey?
No, I'll just post that now.
So Nikita is going to post the link to the survey, and that survey is typically a very, very simple survey that just says that have you received the LOI or have you not? If you have not, please mention the query that you have. So the queries or your questions could be, I've not received the LOI, I've received a BGV link but not the LOI, or whatever the query is. So you do that. We will ensure that the LOIs are sent across to all of you who are yet to receive the LOI, so that it gives you time. But please ensure that you accept the LOI within 24 hours of receiving it. Right? All the communication that we are doing is now most likely happening through the Superset platform. So your other way of looking at it is keep checking your Superset platform for updates. So the moment you log in, you go to your student dashboard, you will see the notifications, and that notification could be from some of the other organizations that you've applied for as well. Watch out for the Wipro notification if Wipro is of interest to you, and accept the LOI from there.
Okay. Sir, I received business evaluation round clearance mail, and also technical issue is releasing LOI. When will I get LOI? Because I have received BGV link.
Fill the survey form. You will. So if you receive the BGV link, which means I'm sure the LOI also was sent out to you. As I said, it could be a possibility that you lost that email in junk or spam, or perhaps you deleted it by mistake. Having said this, you fill the survey form, we will release the LOI all over again.
So I think 90% questions are around haven't received the LOI. So maybe they can fill this survey, Bhavesh. How much will I have to pay if I leave the organization after a year, 2 year, 3 year, or 4 years?
Okay, so that's a question that I don't know why somebody asked, but whenever you join an organization, you don't start thinking of leaving. But fair enough. I mean, the fact that you want to keep your options open. So when you join in, you sign a service agreement for, and I'm talking about elite only. So when you join in as an elite engineer, you will be required to sign a service agreement for 1 year, right, which has a 75,000 clause. After that, there are bonuses that are kicking in. Every bonus that you get wants you to stay with us for 2 years. So there is an agreement that will come with the bonus salary saying that you'll have to be with us for 2 years. In case if you want to still resign, you'll have to return that bonus back to us. So simply put, if you resign within 2 years of you getting that bonus, you will be required to return that bonus back to Wipro and move on.
Sir, have updated the location preference, but I've not received the LOI.
That is okay. So just fill this survey form. You will receive the LOI. And as I said, we will keep this survey form open for till maybe Sunday EOD. Monday we will pull down that report and we'll ask our team to start releasing LOIs to everybody. So watch out for the mails from our end on Monday. While I said it will come from Superset, my bad. It'll come from iCIMS. So you'll get a mail from, and please check your junk folders. I think a lot of such emails go and sit in your junk and spam folders. So check for wipro.icims.com. You will get a LOI on Monday or Tuesday at best.
Okay, I've accepted the LOI, but did not receive background verification and skill preference email. This candidate is from WLP.
Okay, so even if you have not received the skill preference email, you are on Superset platform. So you don't need to look at that email. That could perhaps potentially be because it again went to your spam. But as I said, it's very simple for each one of you. All the 2022 graduates have registered using Superset platform. So go to Superset profile page, go to the Wipro job, go to the additional questions and edit those questions and respond to it.
I think how can I upgrade from Elite to Turbo? You've already covered.
My friend, that is done already. So there is nothing more that you can do right now. The fact that all of you took the AMCAT test and have already performed, depending on how you have performed is what will determine whether or not you'll be given a chance.
Okay, how do I know if I'm in elite engineering group or some other group?
I'm surprised that you're asking this question because you would have got an LOI from our end. If you are an engineer, if you are a BTech and have applied through National Talent Hunt or through your some of your colleges, then you are in elite. If you are a BSc or a BCA student, then you are in WLP. If you are from top 13 institutions from IIT or some of the NIITs, then you are in STAR. And likewise, if you are in the next set of 46 colleges that we have gone to, then you are in Turbo. But I'm sure you would apply it. So if you again log into Superset, you will be able to see which application did you apply for and get shortlisted. I've just posted a question of saying how many of you are interested to start your career with Wipro. I've got 984 thumbs ups. Yep. So out of 4798, I'm looking forward to as many of you who actually see yourself becoming a part of the Wipro fraternity starting April, May of next year. Yes, Apurva, what else do we have? Any questions?
I think all questions are around. I haven't got LOI, Bhavesh. I'm still